Guangdong Titan Smart Electrical Appliance Company Limited, established in 2004, is a professional manufacturer engaged in developing aroma diffuser, ultrasonic humidifier, air purifier, and dehumidifier. We are located in Sanjiao Town, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, China, with convenient transportation access. With more than 17 years' experience, Titan not only provide competitive price, but also prime quality, quick delivery, warm sales service, and strong RD support. About 15 to 30 new models are developed each year to meet all worldwide demands. More than 50 patents have been acquired and keep updating. To guarantee reliable quality, our products must pass 3 tests and an unique 2 hours aging test. Every certificate of PSE, CE, RoHS, ETL, FCC, CB, as well as letter patent have been obtained. Workers here have 4-year experience at average. An efficient production is guaranteed. Our factory has passed ISO and BSCI audits. OEM ODM with customized brand, manual, gift box, shipping marks, label are acceptable. With annual sales of about $30 million, with growth of 30%, we have enjoyed great popularity in Japan, Korea, Europe, USA, Canada, Mexico, and Latin America, and get favorable reputation from worldwide clients. Titan attends Canton Fair and HK Fair twice every year to show new product models and build strong trust with worldwide famous buyers. We are expecting your kind attention. Welcome to visit our company and looking forward to cooperate with you.